Hey there, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free promo code for Domino's Pizza, guys. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works. It's super insane, guys. So if you do want to get a free Domino's Pizza promo code, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this modded app, which is totally updated, guys. It works. Alright, so as you guys can see right here, it says I have one free pizza available, and I also have saved $17. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this. It's super insane, guys, and it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's get right into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go to your browser, and we're just going to go over to Google. So once you're on Google, guys, go to the search bar, and you just want to go ahead and type in ZooMods. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in ZooMods. So once it comes up, guys, basically we're going to go over to the search bar and we're just going to go ahead and type in Domino's Pizza. So let's just wait for this to load right here, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to type in Domino's Pizza. And as you can see, guys, it says Domino's Pizza mod. So just press on this, guys, and it's going to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out, because they're not cheap. They're not messing around, guys. You're going to be paying an arm and a leg for this stuff. So, yeah, I don't want you guys to get involved in the payment life. So, you can save a ton of money with this. I don't think they show any purchasing stuff in here. But be sure to go and try my method out for yourself, because you can get a crazy coupon. As you can see, I saved $17. You can generate them every day with this. So, it's super cool, guys. So, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. All you got to do, guys, is go to ZooMods. That's it. It's so easy, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. It's so updated and insane. So yeah, pretty cool stuff, guys. Try it out today. Get the word out. This actually works, guys. It's super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. This is super crazy, guys. So if this tutorial worked for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So you can get free Domino's Pizza and promo codes and redeem them, and you can be cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out, gang.